Welcome to my channel. I have this truck building set by Knex for sale on my eBay store. My eBay store name is Little Did You Know. If you're interested in buying this item, go to my description box and click on the link and it will take you straight to my eBay listing page. Camion jeu de construction is for children age 5 and up, because it's a choking hardware, because those spaces are really small, so be careful with that. I also have the same model in helicopter and also an airplane, and if you get all three of them, you'll be able to make a space shuttle combo. I only have four of the truck model. I believe I currently have around 20 of this one, and also about the same thing, around 20 of the airplane model. It's a pretty small box, basic. Here's some more information. Made in the USA. It does come with instruction manual in there. They even got Instagram and Facebook page. Here we go. So if you're interested in buying one or two or even all three sets, go ahead and go to my description box and I will leave a link for you. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good one.